NextPCB is a leading provider of reliable PCB fabrication and assembly services for engineers, startups, and businesses worldwide. Specializing in quick-turn prototypes to mass production, we offer multi-layer, HDI, flex, rigid flex, and metal core PCBs with strict quality control and superior customer care. Our advanced facilities ensure reliable performance for applications across consumer electronics, automotive, medical industries, and more. Embracing Industry 4.0 digitization, we streamline the entire electronics manufacturing process to give you competitive pricing and fast lead times, without compromising on quality. And our user-friendly online platform provides instant quotes, order tracking, and full transparency. In addition to PCB fabrication, NextPCB offers comprehensive PCB assembly services including global parts procurement, testing, certification, and box builds. Our 36 automated assembly lines include advanced inspection tools such as SPI, ALI, and X-ray, reflecting our commitment to quality and reliability. Choose NextPCB for exceptional electronics manufacturing solutions you can depend on.
You can see the NextPCB link by going to the More under this video. Click that, scroll down, and right here is check out our sponsor, NextPCB. Thank you. Welcome to GeeekPi Tech Talk 103, the Arduino IDE introduction by Lab Rats Engineering. The focus of this video is the installation of the Arduino Integrated Development Environment IDE, the Visual Studio 2026 IDE, and the Thonny Python IDE. Here's the symbols: Thonny Python, Arduino, and then the Visual Studio Microsoft. We're first going to do the Arduino Development Tool, IDE 2.0. So you click on the link on the screen. This website will come up. Arduino IDE 2.3.10, that's what you want. That's the latest one. Came out June 9th, 2026. Select that. Go over to download. I want the Windows Win 10 or newer. You could also select Linux and Mac. I select download. As the guy can see, it's downloading currently from their repository or their servers to my download directory on my C drive. It's complete. Okay, now that we've downloaded to our download file on our C drive, the Arduino IDE installation file, let's go to it. Here it is right here. Double click on it. It'll bring this up. Say agree. I want that for anybody on this computer. Excuse me. Verified publisher, yes. You make proceed. I agree to the license agreement. I'm going to store it on my E drive, but it defaults to C drive. Finished. Hit finish. It'll create an icon on your desktop. It'll open up the IDE 2.3.0. And then you have to install whatever new device drivers you need. And there you go right there. Here's your boards. Here's some code. This is already set up. Do the ESP8266 standalone SSL. All right, let's move on. Okay, now for installing the Thonny IDE Python editor. Click on the link. It takes you to the Thonny page. It's very useful. A lot of help files. A couple papers. We want to do the 5.0.0 for Windows, and it recommends us do this one. As you can see, it's downloading it currently right now. It's very quick. Here it is in my download file. I will double click that. Install for all users. It gave some security issues, but I went through it because I know I can trust these guys. Click. Create a desktop. Yes, I want that. I just went with default settings. There we are. So select finish. And open it up. Excuse me. And there you go. There's your Thonny 5.0 Python IDE. Okay. The last but not least, will be our visualstudio.com. Now, I've already installed this on my machine. I don't want to uninstall it because it takes quite a while to get it all just right. So, but go to the download. I selected the zip file. It's downloading it right here, as you can see. Takes just a little while. So we're going to download. We're going to download it here in this video, but the next video we're going to open it up, install it, and set up the Visual Studio 2026. It's kind of complicated. Okay, that's it for this. Thank you. Okay, that completes this video. We'd like to present our website so that we could allow you to donate to our coffee fund. We're up to the wee hours at night, and we need lots and lots of coffee. This also will be the last video. The next video will install the Visual Studio 2026 and configure it. It's complicated, so we have to do several things. But here is our PayPal site. If you feel like donating, we take $1, $5, or $10. I don't think we take anything less than $1. And we'll appreciate any donations. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's it. Thank you. Here at Lab Rats Engineering, NextPCB is our one-stop solution for PCB manufacturing, PCB assembly, and DFM analysis. They offer a wide range of high-quality PCB services, including multi-layer HDI, flex, rigid flex, and metal core PCBs. NextPCB also provides complete turnkey PCBA services from component sourcing to assembly and functional testing, ensuring precision, reliability, and fast turnaround, with express options available in as little as 24 hours. What I really like is their professional support, fast shipping, and consistent build quality. Their one-on-one engineering service also helps ensure your design is optimized for manufacturing. If you're getting started, NextPCB offers a $20 discount on your first PCB order, which is essentially enough to get your first PCB made for free. Use NextPCB as your comprehensive solution.